If you've been struggling to encourage your team to use time tracking consistently, this video will give you the tools you need to make it happen. We're going to cover the strategies that actually work to get everyone on board. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to boost time tracking usage across your entire team. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today, available only to viewers of my channel. First off, understand that time tracking isn't just about monitoring productivity. It's about setting expectations. The key to encouraging your team to use time tracking consistently is to make it a seamless part of their workflow. If they feel like it's a tool that helps them do their job better, they'll be more inclined to use it regularly. A good starting point is to explain the benefits. People are naturally resistant to change, especially when it feels like extra work. So instead of just imposing it, explain how time tracking will help them. It makes sure everyone's on the same page, prevents burnout, and can even help with their professional development by identifying where they're spending too much or too little time. When they see the benefits for themselves, they'll be more willing to embrace it. Next, make it easy. This means selecting a time tracking software that's user-friendly and integrates well with the tools your team is already using. The last thing you want is to introduce a tool that makes people feel like they have to jump through hoops just to track their time. I've tried a lot of popular time tracking software myself, and in the description, I'm sharing an exclusive free trial to the software that has been the most effective for my team. It's easy to use, efficient, and actually encourages employees to stick with it. Another key factor is to lead by example. If you want your team to track their time consistently, you need to do it yourself. Your actions set the tone for the entire team, so make time tracking a regular part of your routine. This shows them that you're not just asking them to do something you're not willing to do yourself. Now, you should also keep it simple and flexible. Let your team know that time tracking doesn't need to be perfect. You're not looking for every second to be accounted for. It's more about creating a general sense of how their time is spent. If they miss a few minutes here and there, that's okay. The goal is to get them in the habit, not to be overly rigid about the details. Check in regularly with your team about how they feel about the time tracking process. Are they finding it helpful? Do they feel like it's adding value to their work? If you get feedback, act on it. If something isn't working, adjust it. This creates a sense of ownership and makes it less likely that your team will resist the practice. Finally, make time tracking a part of your company culture. Don't treat it like a one-off project. It needs to be ingrained into the daily routine. Over time, when your team sees how time tracking contributes to their success, it will become second nature. The more you can incorporate time tracking into the day-to-day operations, the more your team will adopt it as a normal part of their workflow. To quickly recap, first, communicate the benefits of time tracking. Second, choose an easy-to-use software that integrates with your team's existing tools. Third, lead by example and make it part of your routine. Fourth, keep it simple and flexible for your team. Finally, regularly check in and adjust as needed to make sure everyone's on the same page. The key takeaway here is that getting your team to use time tracking consistently is about making it easy, beneficial, and a natural part of their routine. With the right software and approach, your team will be tracking their time in no time. And before I go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this video. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.